cool though with all your
Yay!
Why this way?
Yes!
So it's our flagship one, it's been our flagship one for 35 years. That's over.
It's beautiful. Ooh, sun washes out. So pretty. Oh, love South Africa. Love Cape Town, or Stellenbosch, which is where we're at now. This is the life. Look at this. It's amazing who you run into when you're here. Oh, look at that.
That is a fuchsia.
Which
Love
one?
it. That
The
one.
flower?
Yeah. Who did you run into?
You.
Oh.
Look at these pretty flowers. Here, come with me down here. Look at the vineyards. I thought the last place was incredibly beautiful, but these places are all beautiful. The other place was probably prettier, Constantia Glen, but this is amazing too. This grass is gorgeous. Look at it. Look. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Yo.
Galvin.
Every day's a Sunday.
Ah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Grandma, Mimi in her element. Today is a great day.
Let's sit underneath the tree.
Yeah. What's that?
Life as a grandparent. Our newest grandchild, Benjamin. 1 month old. Great, great time. I can't pronounce what this place is called. Rust En
Rust En Vrede, which means rest and peace.
Nice.
Rust En Vrede.
Beautiful. There's Daddy setting us up.
Poor kid, I'm sweating so much on him.
I'll put your glasses just here, Mom.
Thanks.